In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link in Monzo 2025. If you've ever needed to split a bill, collect money for a group gift, or just get paid back quickly, Monzo makes it simple with a personal payment link. This link is unique to you, and it lets someone send you money securely without needing your bank details. Start by opening your Monzo app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and have a reliable internet connection. If the app looks different from what you expect, it may just need an update from your app store, but the option we're using is available in the payments area across current versions. From the home screen, look to the bottom menu and tap the Payments tab. This is where you manage transfers, requests, and your personal link. If you don't immediately see payments, swipe along the bottom navigation or check that you're on the main account screen rather than inside a specific pot. Inside payments, choose either request or the option that says share your Monzo link. Both routes lead you to the same place, your personal Monzo.me links. This link is what you'll send to someone when you want them to pay you. You'll now see your unique link displayed on screen. It typically looks like Monzo.me followed by your chosen identifier. Take a second to confirm it looks right. This is your public-facing link, so only share it with people you trust and for legitimate payments. It's safe in that it doesn't reveal your full account details, and it routes the payment through Monzo's secure checkout. Next, tap Share. Your phone's Share menu will pop up, so you can pick how to send it: WhatsApp, Messenger, email, SMS, or any other app you prefer. Choose the channel your recipient is most likely to check. It's helpful to add a short note like what the payment is for and, if you want, the amount owed so there's no confusion on their end. Once they receive your message, the recipient can tap the link and send you money instantly. They'll be guided through a secure payment screen where they can complete the transfer. You'll typically get a notification when the money arrives, and it will show up in your feed like any other payment. If someone has trouble opening the link, suggest they try a different browser or ensure they have a stable connection. And if you don't see the share option in your app, double check you're on the Payments tab and that your app is up to date. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to find, share, and get paid through your Monzo link quickly and confidently.